Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The events that happened today, the change of leadership, was legit, was legal, because it was based on Supreme Court decision, the Avellino versus Cuenco case way back in 1949, February 18, 1949. And there was also a precedent. In 2017, when Senator Franklin Loan was the Senate President, there was a quorum, 12 of them, because out of the 24, 3 were in prison. Sa kulungan po yung tatlong senador. 5 po ang nakabakasyon, kaya 12 po ang nagkaroon po sila ng quorum. So we have a precedent. The reason why we have to do this, there's already a violation of the Constitution. 3 straight days po. That they blatantly disregard the rule of law, the Constitution. So we have to act. And we are very fortunate that one of them, member of the majority before, Senator Chis Escudero, do not conform and do not believe in what they are fighting for. Hindi po siya naniniwala because he believes na yung kanilang pinaglalaban ay mali po. Na yung kanilang pagbo-boycott ay para ipagtanggol lamang ang ilang sa mga kasamahan nila. So, the guy suddenly made a decision today to join para magkaroon po kami ng quorum. And you may ask, bakit hindi? Is there quorum? Yes, there is. We're just considered 22 now. So, divided by 2, that's 12 plus, 11 plus 1 is 12. So, we have a quorum. Dalawa po sa amin, yung isa nagtatago, yung isa nakakulong. So we only have, ang bilang po ay 22. So divided by 2, yung sabi po na majority, para makuha majority, divided by 2, it was 11 plus 1, and that was Chis Escudero nga po, arriving today. So na-break po yung impasse when Senator Escudero showed up today, because ang sinasabi niya po sa amin, he doesn't believe anymore on what they're fighting for.